A decade ago, the slender rectangles that slipped into our pockets were mere novelties compared to the pocket-sized powerhouses we wield today. The evolution of smartphones has been nothing short of breathtaking, and as we gaze into the next 10 years, the future of these ubiquitous devices shimmers with possibilities that border on the fantastical. One of the most compelling trends poised to unfold is the rise of foldable smartphones. Picture a pocket-sized screen seamlessly unfurling into a tablet, transforming the landscape of entertainment and productivity. While challenges such as cost and durability persist, the potential for foldables to revolutionize how we interact with technology is undeniably tantalizing. Foldable devices. The trend of foldable smartphones is expected to continue, offering a more versatile form factor. These devices could shrink or expand based on the user's needs. However, challenges such as cost and durability need to be addressed for widespread adoption. Over-the-air charging. Wired chargers may become obsolete as wireless charging technology advances. Portless smartphones that rely entirely on wireless charging for power could become more common as wireless charging becomes faster and more efficient. Smart glasses. Smartphones might be replaced or complemented by smart glasses. These glasses could offer independent functionality, serving as private displays for notifications, AR directions, and video streaming. The challenge lies in making the technology compact and stylish for public use. Holographic displays. The use of holographic display technology may become more widespread, allowing smartphones to render 3D images or films that float above the device. This could eliminate the need for 3D glasses and provide a more immersive visual experience. Smarter artificial intelligence. AI integration in smartphones will likely become more powerful, playing a crucial role in various aspects of our lives. Future smartphones could make more complex and human-like decisions, expanding their role in entertainment, connected cars, home automation, and other areas. Technological enhancements. Continued improvements in display technology, including brighter colors, better power management, and higher pixel density, are expected. The challenge will be exploring what additional functionalities can be integrated beneath the display. Market trends. The smartphone market may witness slower growth compared to previous years, with the form factor evolving gradually. Foldable devices may become more popular, providing users with increased utility from a single device. Growth opportunities might arise in underserved markets, such as Africa, and with the expansion of 5G in countries like India. Environmental considerations. Phones are becoming more repairable, contributing to the growth of the used or refurbished market. Environmental sustainability could become a more significant focus, with manufacturers exploring ways to reduce electronic waste and improve the overall lifespan of devices. Bid farewell to tangled wires and embrace the era of wireless charging. Ports, once essential lifelines, may become relics of the past as inductive pads seamlessly power our devices. Imagine the sheer convenience of grabbing your phone, fully charged, with no fumbling for cables, a testament to the liberating capabilities of cutting-edge technology. Yet, the real magic may extend beyond the confines of our palms. Enter smart glasses, heralding a future where information seamlessly overlays our surroundings, guiding us through cityscapes and translating languages in real time. No longer relegated to squinting at diminutive screens, reality itself becomes the interface, blurring the lines between the virtual and the tangible. And what of the screens themselves? Holographic displays could usher in an era where 3D images materialize, float, and captivate. Movies might evolve into immersive experiences, and video calls could transcend borders, offering face-to-face encounters that bridge continents. However, the metamorphosis isn't confined to hardware alone. Smarter artificial intelligence, AI, is poised to become the unseen companion, anticipating our needs, managing schedules, and engaging in nuanced conversations. Envision a device that not only remembers your preferences but also adjusts settings for optimal comfort and offers emotional support, a pocket-sized therapist for the digital age. Nevertheless, challenges loom on the horizon. The smartphone market may not witness the explosive growth of its youth, as consumers increasingly hold onto their devices for longer periods, and innovation seemingly reaches a plateau. Yet, within this apparent slowdown lies untapped potential. Emerging markets, particularly in Africa and India, yearn for connectivity, and the advent of 5G promises a new chapter in mobile performance. Ultimately, the future of smartphones is an open narrative, shaped by ingenuity and fueled by consumer demand. Whether it's the pliable screens of foldables, the unbridled freedom of wireless charging, or the mind-bending possibilities of smart glasses and holographic displays, One thing is unequivocally clear: the next decade of smartphones will be nothing short of extraordinary. So, let the future unfold, pixel by pixel, and prepare to be astounded by the magic that fits snugly in your pocket. The crystal ball of phones gleams brightly, and the stories it tells will undoubtedly reshape the way we live, work, and connect in ways we can scarcely fathom. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.